Did you forget to wear a condom? Did you forget to wear a condom 3, 4, maybe 5 times? Was the buy here, pay here dealership all out of 3-row SUVs leaving you with no other option? The 5th gen Dodge Caravan, the official car of sketchy inner-city taxicab companies and working-class breeders alike. If you've got one of these and feel you've been robbed of your balls, fear not. I'm going to show you in 5 easy minutes how to get those balls back. Well, it'll sound like you got your balls back. Listen to that growl. The crotch fruit are late for dance class. Better hustle. You might be thinking that I've done something to the exhaust, but honestly, I think right out of the box, these exhausts sound pretty good. The real party trick is up at the other end of this 3.6 liter Pentastar's digestive system, the intake. I'll show you what I'm on about. Just loosen these 2 clamps and wiggle this off. Got it. Maybe don't toss it. This is the key, the intake. This throttle intake is a massive 4.25 inches. This thing gobbles up air like a humpback gobbles krill, which allows it to sound like God. Take it around the block if you don't believe me. Now obviously you don't want to leave it unfiltered, okay? These valve trains are fragile enough as it is. Enter some parts from K&N. This filter's got over 240,000 miles on it, so it looks a little beat. But with proper cleaning and oiling, they last forever. The hard part was finding a filter short enough to fit in this space, but wide enough to fit over that huge intake. I had to do a lot of trial and error to find the right one, so link in the description. Just stick it on, tighten the hose clamp, and enjoy making people think you V8 swapped your minivan. Just want to share my opinion on intakes like this. They sound awesome, but they have one major drawback. This setup will have it sucking in hot air from the engine compartment, which means it's less dense and contains less oxygen. No bueno for performance. Frankly, if you live somewhere with 4 seasons, short ram air intakes like this are only even usable for 3 of 4. For optimal performance, you want a cold air intake. Most stock intakes are cold air intakes from the factory. See how it pulls air from behind the headlight? But this isn't a performance car anyway, it's a van. So you can only really tell the difference when it's well over 90 degrees out. Also, in 240,000 miles, it's never thrown a code. Also, easier oil changes. That's it, just a dumb little hack to make your daily commute just a little more exciting. I love the confused looks from people in traffic trying to figure out where the sports car is. Just a Hemi. I know this is an absurd thing to do to a minivan, but car people are all too serious in my opinion. The world needs a little more absurdity. Thanks for watching.